Welcome to 900 Washington, a modern waterfront statement here in Hollywood, Florida. Okay, welcome inside to 900 Washington. What I'm about to show you is gonna blow your mind. This house is sick, it has it all. The attention to detail is literally second to nothing. Now, the one thing I want you to take into account when you're looking at this home is not the beautiful floors, not the furniture, not the pool, the saltwater pool, the lighting, the backyard, the 100 feet on the water, no. Yes, obviously that too. But the fact that everything is flush, the doors are all flush, the diffusers, the lights. You have a $20,000 beautiful couch that is not included in the sale. Okay, this is two beautiful, huge couches, 10,000 each. Anyways, let's make our way over to one of my favorite parts of the house, the kitchen. You have leather granite here, you have custom Mia Cucina. Look at all the cabinetry space. Look at all the natural light that you get. This is a I don't know if you guys can actually see, and then I'm gonna show you the refrigerator, the freezer, the cabinets. You have two sinks if you're religious. You have plenty of space to entertain indoor and outdoor if you are a family that likes to, invite everybody over for the holidays. But let me just show you really quickly. Again, did you hear that? So as if all these tall doors and extra cabinetry space throughout and even under the island wasn't enough, you have this perfectly engineered pull-out for all of your extra space. You don't have to worry about digging in the back of your pantry or closet, and it just seamlessly goes right back in like that. Soft close, if you will, and soft close if you may. All right, guys, let's take a look at the master. Again, no attention to detail was spared here. You got a ton of natural light. You could literally jump from the master into the pool. You got 100 feet on the water. This is like, you don't get 100 feet on the water unless you're gonna spend $30 million here in all of Florida. The master bathroom, you got your double vanities, sick bathtub. Again, attention to detail. I love the color scheme that you don't see white and gray like every other new Miami house, okay? You have warmer colors here. You got two vanities. You got the beautiful upgraded toilet. That thing can dance, it can play music for you. One thing you don't find in too many houses, a urinal too. What more do you want? Let's go in the walk-in closet. You got enough room to party in here, okay? You got enough room for his, you got enough room for hers, and you even have more room for hers. Or you, if you're a single guy. But I think personally, if you're looking at this house, this might be somebody with a small family. Maybe you have 2 or 3 kids, and I'll show you where we can put the beautiful children in this home as well. Okay guys, just for the sense of the layout, the master is right here. You have your first bedroom right here, foyer to my right, the flush custom European doors that we spoke about, and then you have a full bath right here. You have the bedroom that I mentioned. This is being used as storage right now, but I'm gonna show you what a couple of the other bedrooms look like. So just for you guys to get a sense of the layout too, just completely open floor plan, right? Flow through literally from the master to the kitchen, and you have the beautiful large living room for entertaining. I mean, this couch doesn't really do it justice. I'm telling you, you guys could fit like 7 people here comfortably. And then you have all this additional space here. Again, all of this, which gives you the views of the water, the pool. Okay guys, last but not least, let's talk about the backyard here. Number one, you have a completely redone backyard. Let me explain. Number one, all new tile. Number two, you have a beach entry pool, saltwater. You have a new jacuzzi. You have all new lighting, some new trees, new dock, new seawall. One thing that most houses will not have here, I think this is one of maybe 3, is you have a 4-foot raised dock. Over everybody else, you'll notice this guy's house, the elevation, how much higher it is. Now, for my boaters over here, I'm not even gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about because I have no idea. All I know is this. This little spigot 200 amp power voltage thing, whatever this is amazing for you if you're a boater. Because you got your spigots, you got all of your little charging ports. You can do this, you can do that with it. Again, if I didn't mention already, you have 100 feet on the water. Tell me where you can find that for under $5 million in Miami. Here in Hollywood, Florida. Where else do you need to go? Joe Stonecrab? No, we got Billy's. Miami International Airport? We have Fort Lauderdale Airport, and it's not even 15 minutes away. It's easier for travel. The restaurants are just as good. We have Fort Lauderdale. I'm telling you right now, for $4.5 million, You're not gonna find a better price per square foot home or a better bang for your buck than what you're looking at right here. Welcome to 900 Washington. If you guys have any questions, you want to schedule a private tour, or if you are looking for something similar in Miami, Florida, if you don't see it online, I promise you I can find it for you. Reach out to me or the Nucci team today, and I will see you soon.